everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's our first evening at Disneyland. First time ever on the West Coast at the Disney parks. If you've seen the last vlog, you've seen we just checked in our new hotel, freshened up, had a bit by the pool, and now we've come in. And all we've got planned is the fireworks. Fireworks is weekends only, it's a Saturday night tonight, so we're going to try and watch them tonight. Other than that, we're just going to soak it up. Just really excited to get in. We've got Genie Plus as well, so we'll see how that works as well. Right, let's go and get inside. So excited. Love the big pumpkins above the entrance. We've got Pluto, Mickey, Goofy, there's Minnie, and there's Donald in the trees. They look great. Okay, we're in. Got our paper tickets. Keep them safe. Wow, look at the station. Loving all the colours. Halloween time. All the colours are nice, aren't they? Look even better tomorrow in the daylight. But here we are, Disneyland. Very pretty. There's the station up there, the railroad station. Oh, look at the giant pumpkin back there. Wow. One thing I'm going to try not to do is compare to like the other parks. However, it's got, even just this town square has got very Disneyland Paris vibes, hasn't it? In a good way, because we love Disneyland Paris. There's some music as well. That's everyone waiting for the photo op with the giant pumpkin. Here we are. Our home for the next five days, Disneyland. Wow, finally here. So because we're in quite late, there's obviously not a lot of Lightning Lane selections for our Genie Plus. However, it's the first time using it, so we just booked anything just to see if it'll work. So yeah, just to test it out. So we booked It's a Small World, a classic. So it's only a 10-minute standby, but wanted to just see if it works. And everything else was like eating into the firework time, and we really want to make sure we see the fireworks. Do you know what? It's strange being here for the first time in the dark, because I don't know where I'm going.
I know.
Like absolutely no familiarity. The castle's beautiful though. Oh yeah, Jolly Holiday. We'll go there for some snacks at some point this week, won't we? There's the Matterhorn. It's closed for our whole trip, unfortunately. We go home on the 1st. I think it's in refurb till the 8th or something like that, so we miss it by a week. I know that Mickey's Toontown shut as well, so we're pretty good about that one.
Yeah.
But, you know, we'll have to come back. It's all just reasons to come back. Let's go take a closer look at this castle. It's you know what, it's bigger than I thought it'd be. Like, it actually looks bigger than I thought it'd be. The way everyone talks about it being the tiny castle, like, it's actually really impressive. I like it a lot. Now we're going to take a walk through the castle, the Fantasyland. Doesn't take long to walk through it, does it?
No, I was thinking the same.
a big step and you're through. It's nice, I really like it. So it is what day is it today? Saturday. It's Saturday, so it's probably busier than your average. Not that we'd know, first time here. The wait time seemed okay, didn't they? Nothing crazy. Trying to navigate your way around a park you've never been in before in the dark. It's quite interesting, but we have found it. It's a small world at the back here. Yeah, they do, don't they? You do. I'm actually looking forward to this. This is the one where they have the characters in there, don't they? Like little character models. So I'm trying to spot them all. Also, first ride in Disneyland's got to be a classic. I love the outside of this building. I think actually looks really cool. That's our first Disneyland ride done. It was cute. I like looking at all the characters that's in this one. But now it's about 8:15 and the fireworks on at 9:30, so I don't really want to venture too far. That's the only thing we want to do tonight. So we're going to go back to further into Fantasyland, and I think Pinocchio was 20 minutes. So see what we can get on quick. Yeah, it's a Saturday evening. I don't know how busy this place gets, but Haunted Mansion Holiday is 85 minutes. Everything else is like maximum 40 maybe, and quite a lot of it is 30 and under. So it's pretty nice night, but fireworks are priority.
This will be your new home.
Wait for me! Hey, look out! Well, we made it!
That's Pinocchio was cute. I just really like the music.
I thought it had some really cool effects though. As
Yeah.
well. Some bits were really
It's such an old ride.
cool. Yeah.
That was cool. I liked it. But now we're heading back round to Main Street. You can see how busy it is now. I'm gonna grab a drink of some kind and settle in and ready to watch some fireworks. We've got plans to try and watch Fantasmic tomorrow, and I think they clash with the fireworks, with the fireworks being weekend only. Tonight was kind of like our only chance. Don't care where we see them from. I'd like to find time to watch them. Come to the Candy Palace to get some churro toffee. And what you spotted?
The whoopsies.
The whoopsies.
Or the broken pieces of cups.
Offered at a discount, do you reckon? I doubt it. Let's get some anyway. Is that it? Is that the churro toffee?
Yeah, and then that's the cinnamon sugar.
Oh, I see, I see. Right, we got the churro toffee. Right, give it a taste. Satisfaction.
It's like a dime bar.
Yeah, worth the wait. Good.
Happy Halloween, everyone! Welcome! It's time to celebrate the season of tricks and treats! The sights, the sounds! Ooh, and what's this, you ask? Well, let me show you. We'll call out the spirits to socialize. After all, my friends, this is Halloween!
When the grip doors creak and the tombstones quake, spooks come out for a swing and wank. Happy hunts, let's materialize and begin to vocalize. Grim grinning ghosts come out to socialize. As the moonlight high on the dead oak tree, spooks arrive for the midnight spree. Creepy creeps with eerie eyes start to shake and harmonize. Grinning ghosts come out and socialize. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. Boys and girls of every age, wouldn't you like to see something strange? Come with us and you will see. It's our world of Halloween. Oh, this is Halloween, this is Halloween. Pumpkins scream in the dead of night. This is Halloween. Everybody kissing, trick or treat till the neighbors go to die fright. This is Halloween, this is Halloween, 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 Halloween. In this world we call home, everyone hail to the pumpkin song. Happy Halloween, darlings! Now sing. Sing! Sing! Fortunate souls in pain, in need. For unfortunate souls! Cruella de Vil, Cruella de Vil.
Spirited and All Hallows Eve celebration can really be!
I've saved the best for last. The Halloween Scream-Along. You're all invited to scream like you're trying to wake the dead. Come on, Zero. We'll take flights to new heights. This is Halloween. This is Halloween. Halloween, 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 Halloween. Everybody's ready. Socialize. Don't close your eyes, don't try to hide. The city's moving in blind sight. Try to disguise. To terrorize. The ghosts come out to socialize. The grinning ghosts come out and socialize. To come back and celebrate with us again. Happy Halloween, everybody!
Okay, so things got pretty hectic pretty quick. We come around to watch the fireworks. It was really, really busy. But yeah, we'll talk more about the fireworks in a bit because they were awesome. But we made a lightning lane selection just beforehand for Big Thunder Mountain. So we're going to go ride that now and see where we're at. Probably take a mosey out through the shops and things, and it's a bit hard because it's our first time here and it's dark. Like, we don't really know what we're looking at, so we're gonna ride Thunder Mountain and then just take a stroll out. And I'll tell you what, the fireworks are amazing. It's really smooth. Yeah, definitely. I like the end as well, we pull into the little town.
Yeah.
That was really good. Enjoy that. What do you think of that?
Really, really good.
I liked
think
it.
it's my second favourite now.
Let me guess. Disneyland Paris first.
Yeah.
And then this one. And then Walt Disney World third. Not
It
last,
was
third.
so much smoother than the
It was really
one.
smooth, yeah. Had the same like effects, like special effects like Disneyland Paris does, isn't it? With the explosions and things. Yeah, that was really fun. We'll have to do that a few more times. And like a common theme here, like a lot of the rides, like the queues and stuff, they're all outside. So at the station where you get on, it's all outside. It's mad, isn't it? Because there's no rain. They can do it. There's no rain. Yeah, that was really fun. I didn't expect it. I thought they'd be pretty samey. Like, you know what I mean? I didn't expect to like that as much as they did. But I had a great time. That was great. Okay, so Fundamental was awesome. So we are gonna head out via the shops. I think we're gonna go in the shops. Yeah. Let's have a look in the shops so we can find something to spend our monies on. It's is it Fellow Magic, or is he just having a general? No, he's just having a general freak out, isn't he? Yeah, I really like that. Look at him, stressing out Donald. $70 though.
Disneyland.
Yeah, he's not happy, is he? He's never happy. Love him. Main Street Electrical Parade stuff, which has just finished. Gutted we didn't get here in time to see this. You're not really into Pandora, are you? But you like these Alex and Annie bracelets. That's cool. There we go. Yeah, look at the sweatshirt. Pastel colours. How much is it? 70, I'm guessing.
No, it was cheaper than that.
Oh, 45. That's not bad. I think that's really nice. Oh, we've seen these before, haven't we? The Rain Max. What's
Yeah,
this
but
one?
this one's a snacker mark.
A Snacker-Mac. $55. Let's take a look in this Crystal Arcade. Slowly making our way up Main Street. I love all this year's Halloween designs. Cute, isn't he? The little ghosts. There's a full print button-up shirt that I'm looking for at some point on this trip. She's found it. She's found it.
They've got a few different sizes.
Oh, brilliant! Yeah, this is it. There he is. Look at him. Perfect. Yeah, I want to wear this Oogie Boogie Bash on Thursday. Although, look at this. That's better than the Jack Skellington one that's over there. Love it, but no, ignore that. We're getting this. This very loud shirt. How's it look?
It's really cool.
Yeah.
It's loud, but it's not too bad, if you know what I mean.
It's very me, yeah. I love it.
Yeah.
Oogie Boogie Bash on Thursday, we're wearing this, right? Gonna get it. Happy. Happy. I really like this as well. This is very me. D on the front and Disneyland on the back. That's a potential purchase. I'll have a think about that one. It's $36 though. This, however, let's go pay for it. Okay, that's the very first visit to Disneyland done. Whistle stop tour. I had a great time. Right, time to walk back to the room. It's about a half an hour walk in that way, that direction. I'll see you when we get back. Oh, this is the front of our hotel. We've just come back. Motel style. It's got 3 floors. It's very nice though. Best Western Plus Stovall's in. So we've literally just walked up. Well, in fact, you can see Pixar Pal around over there. The wheel. Just walked up that road, or down that road from downtown Disney. Didn't take that long. 20 minutes that took. So one really cool thing about this hotel, I think we mentioned it yesterday, it's got a grab, scan, go. It's a like self-checkout shop, open 24-hour. So you scan stuff. And they've got souvenirs and things as well, plush toys, food. You've got microwaves in the room, so there's ready meals and stuff. Oh yeah, because we've got the microwave, we've got ice cream, look, tubs of ice cream. Hot pockets, yeah. Cool. So let's try it out. What do you fancy? I'm gonna get me Dr. Pepper. Night. 1 Dr. Pepper, $4. That's okay, it's all for science. We're just testing. Check out. Payment successful. Nah, I don't
I was
understand.
going to say, I can't wait for you to type in your email address. I'm fading.
So there we go, done. Ta-da! Oh, it's a nice Mickey wall there as well. So yeah, that's our quirky little scan and go shop. You can go 24 hours. And this is our hotel. But yeah, this is our hotel. I think it's really nice. I love the plants and everything outside. Very pretty. 3 stories, motel style. It's got a couple of pools around the back. Very cool. And we are up on the top floor. Right in the middle, I think. It's bigger than I thought it'd be, this hotel. I thought it was going to be real small. Yeah, checking, it was 4 o'clock and it was strict 4 o'clock.
But I think I don't know if they're just struggling at the minute.
Yeah, a lot of places still struggling for staff, aren't they? But yeah, there was a lot of people waiting for rooms,
Yeah.
like strict. But they took our luggage and everything, so that was nice.
Yeah, they did.
You still dump your luggage and go and enjoy the parks and whatnot. Right, up we go, see when we're in the room. In fact, I'm sure I've shown this in the last vlog, whispering because it's late at night. But that over there is the credit coaster. You can see it popping up over the building. And then right next to it, you see the flashing lights. That's the Pixar Pal around. Nice view. Alright, apologies if the aircon's a bit loud. That's the only downside of this room. The aircon is really loud. But yeah, that's the first visit to Disneyland done. And it was brilliant. Loved it. It was a bit strange because it was night time. Like you can't really see anything, so
No, it was strange.
yeah, it's a brand new park to us. But I didn't know where I was going, didn't know what I was doing, and it's not through like a planning or anything. It's just literally it's dark.
Yeah.
I don't know what I'm looking at. There's details we're missing. So we had a great time. We only went to watch the fireworks really, and we saw the fireworks and they were brilliant. They had Zero, didn't they? Zero the dog.
That was the best part ever.
He comes out a couple of times, goes left to right, aside the castle. Brilliant, absolutely brilliant. Love them. Really, like aggressive fireworks as well.
Oh, yeah, they were amazing.
Yeah, really good. Rode a few rides, had the churro toffee. Yeah, really good time. So we bailed on that. To be fair, the park shuts in half an hour anyway, so we done well. We done well. So tomorrow is going to be our first proper day in Disneyland. We are going to be watching Fantasmic tomorrow night. That's on the cards for tomorrow. We've got a restaurant booked for the dining package that they're doing to get us a reserved area to watch the show. So that's going to be sorted tomorrow.
Yeah.
Really looking forward to that. And yeah, so tomorrow will be the first proper day at Disneyland. See it all in the California sunshine. It's going to be even better than tonight.
Yeah.
So we're going to get settled, get refreshed, ready up for tomorrow, and yeah, have a good day tomorrow. Well, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time.